Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do progressions, exercise 6.3 in that 7th problem. Show that A1, A2 and so on An form an arithmetic progression where An is defined as below. In that first one is An is equal to 3 plus 4n and the second one is An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. See here. They gave An is equal to 3 plus 4n. Then we need to find An, A2 and so on An. So all those numbers are in arithmetic progression or not, we need to check. If those are in arithmetic progression, we need to find sum of the first 15 terms in each case. So this is first one, this is second one. So here I am going to take a first one, that is An is equal to 3 plus 4n. See given An is equal to 3 plus 4n. 3 plus 4n. If I consider A1, so here we will get 3 plus 4 into 1. What is the value? 3 plus 4 into 1. We will get 7. Next, take A2. So this number will be 3 plus 4 into 2. Now 3 plus 4 2s are 8, 11. Next, A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. Now 3 plus 4 3s are 12. So 15. Isn't it? So here A1 is equal to 7, A2 is equal to 11, A3 is equal to 15. We got. We need to check A1, A2, A3 and so on An form an arithmetic progression or not. So here we will take A1 is equal to 7, A2 is equal to 11, A3 is equal to 15. See here, pattern formed by A1 comma A2 comma A3 and so on An we will find. See, A1 is 7 is 7 comma 11 comma 15 and so on we will get. A1 is equal to 7, A2 is equal to 11, A3 is equal to 15. So on we will get. Is it clear or not? So we need to find common difference. Common difference is nothing but the difference between a term with its preceding term should be same for each and every term. See here, 11 minus 7 value is 4. 15 minus 11 value is 4. Isn't it? So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So common difference D is equal to common difference D, that is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 and so on we will get. So here A3 minus A2 minus A1, what is the value of A2? 11. 11 minus 7 is equal to 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. Isn't it? So A2 minus A1 is same as A3 minus A2. Am I correct or not? So therefore A1 comma A2 comma A3 and so on An forms an arithmetic progression. See here, show that A1, A2 and so on An form an arithmetic progression where An is defined as An is equal to 3 plus 4n. So here I find A1 value, that is 7, A2 value, that is 11, A3 value, that is 15. So pattern formed by A1, A2, A3 and so on An is 7, 11, 15 and so on. See, common difference we are going to find, that is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. See, 11 minus 7, 4, 15 minus 11, 4. Same we are getting. Therefore, A1, A2, A3 and so on An forms an arithmetic progression. After that, they ask us also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. So we all know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, sum of n terms, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find sum of n terms. See here, they ask us also find the sum of the first 15 terms. So n means 15. Yes, 15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a. A means a1 only. What is the value of a1 here? A1 value is 7. 2 into 7 plus n minus 1. N is nothing but here 15. 15 minus 1? 14. Common difference D, that is 4. Like that we need to write. Later, 15 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 14 fours are 56. 56. Now 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56, 70 we will get. 70. After that, 2 ones are 2 35s are. Now we need to multiply 15 into 35. See here, 35 into 15. 15 threes are 45. Sorry, 15 fives are. See here, 15 fives are. 15 fives are 75. 15 threes are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. So therefore the value is 5 to 5. Therefore the value is 5 to 5. See here. Yes, sum of 525. So sum of, therefore here we can write, therefore sum of first 15 terms is equal to 525. That's it. Now second one. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. See, given An is equal to 9 minus 5n. 9 minus 5n. Now A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. 9 minus 5 into 1. If An is equal to 9 minus 5n, then A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. So here we will get 9 minus 5. So we will get 4. A1 is equal to 4. Next, A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. Now 9 minus 10 we will get. So its value is minus 1. Next, after that, A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. So here we will get 9 minus 5 3s are 15. So 9 minus 15, its value is minus 6. Next, A4 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 4. So its value is 9 minus 20. 9 minus 20 means its value is minus 11. See here, A1 is equal to 4, A2 is equal to minus 1, A3 is equal to minus 6, A4 is equal to minus 11. Isn't it? So the pattern formed by A1 comma A2 comma A3 and so on. N is 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 6 comma minus 11 and so on. Now this is the pattern we got. So we need to check this pattern is in arithmetic progression or not. How can you check? If the difference between A2 minus A1 is same as A3 minus A2 and also A4 minus A2, isn't it? Then only we can say that is common difference. So here we will find common difference. So you see common difference D is equal to common difference D. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus, or else take these two things only. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So these things are enough to check. Now its value A2 means minus 1 minus 4. See here A2 means minus 1, A1 means 4. So minus 1 minus 4 is equal to A3. A3 value is minus 6 minus of A2, that is minus 1. Now we are getting here minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 6 plus 1. So here also we will get minus 5 only. See, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. A3 minus A2 minus 6 minus half minus 1. So minus 6 plus 1. So what's the value? Its value is also minus 5. A2 minus A1 is minus 5. A3 minus A2 is minus 5. Isn't it? Therefore common difference D is equal to minus 5. See, we are getting difference is common. Difference is same, common. When we find A2 minus A1 or else A3 minus A2. Isn't it? So that only here this is in arithmetic progression. This is in AP. This is in AP. Now we need to find sum of the first 15 terms in each case. See here. Therefore, given A1 comma A2 comma A3 and so on, AN is in a arithmetic progression AP. Now we need to find sum of the first 15 terms in each case. So here we are going to do second one. So Sn, general formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the basic formula. From this, S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a. What is the value of a here? 4. 2 into 4 plus n minus 1, that is 14. 14 into d, common difference. D is minus 5. Now 15 by 2 into 4 2s are 8. Plus into minus 14 5s are. What is the value? 14 5s are 70. Now 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70 minus 62. Now by using two tables, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So its value is minus 31 into 15. We need to multiply. 15 1s are 15, 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 1, 46. So minus 465. Minus 465. Therefore Therefore, sum of first 15 terms is equal to minus 465. Okay, thank you.